was a couple of minutes ago. All these birds, they took off and just like flew around in a circle, didn't go anywhere. And then they went back to the wire. I'm gonna see if I can make them do that again. Before they did it on their own, I'm gonna try to spook them, see if they'll do it again. I hear the train coming. I wonder if that'll spook them. It probably won't. They're used to it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like jump up and down. I mean, I could start. Yeah, jumping. That didn't do it. Train. I could like pick up a stone or something and throw it. Maybe we just say they're up there a lot. So I found a stone. I don't know how many millions of years old this stone is. Just lying in the gutter over there. And the birds are still up there. It's the rock. I don't know. I'm holding this in my right hand. I'm right-handed, not left-handed. I have to put some energy into throwing it. See, one of them flew down. See? He flew off. See, he flew off. Okay, now I've got the rock in my right hand. Come on. Focus. Focus. Why won't you focus? Get on my right hand. What? So, I mean, I don't know. So I'm gonna like just throw it up. See what happens. I probably won't reach that high. I want you. I'll hit one of the birds and I'll die. I hope. Yeah, okay, here it is. One, two. Across the street. Let me try that again. It went up, but it didn't go over. Alright, I got the rock again. Let me see. 1, 2. I'm not gonna waste my time trying to get those birds to swarm or whatever it is. It's kind of breezy. They're all facing